In this video, I will be showing you how to delete Facebook group. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your Facebook application. And when you're finished with a Facebook group, you may delete it from a web browser or the Facebook mobile application. There isn't a button to remove groups on Facebook. So if you made a decision to do so, you might be unsure of how to proceed. There is a way to accomplish it, though, if you are the group administrator. But if you're not, it's kind of impossible to do that. So first, go to your Facebook application, tap this Your Groups, and then as you can see below groups you manage, that is your group, which is you are the administrator. So you have to tap this one. And now, after you tap this, you need to scroll down and then look for delete the group. So you just have to scroll down to the very bottom. And here you can see delete group. All you have to do is to tap this one and click delete group. So since you are the admin or I am the admin of this group, I can just click delete group directly. No need to click the member or to delete the member one by one. Just tap that one, and this is how you delete your group or Facebook group you are the admin. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.